Welcome to ClearTask. If Google Chrome is not loading websites, you are in the right place. Today, I will walk you through a simple step-by-step process to fix this issue quickly. Let's get started. First, let's try the easiest fix. Simply close Google Chrome completely and reopen it. If your websites still are not loading, let's move to step 2. Step 2, clear your browsing data. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left menu, click Privacy and Security, then select Delete Browsing Data. Change the time range to all time. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Then click Delete Data. Restart Chrome and test your website. Step 3. Disable conflicting extensions. Sometimes an ad blocker or a VPN extension can block a web page from loading. Click the extensions icon in the top right and select Manage Extensions. Toggle off your ad blockers or VPNs temporarily. Also, check your computer's main network settings to ensure you don't have a system-wide VPN turned on. Refresh the page to see if that solved the problem. Step 4. Reset Chrome. If extensions were not the issue, go back to Chrome settings. Look for Reset Settings on the left menu. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults, then confirm by clicking Reset Settings. This gives Chrome a fresh start without deleting your bookmarks or saved passwords. Finally, if none of these steps worked, you may need to completely uninstall Chrome from your computer's system settings and download a fresh version using another browser like Microsoft Edge. That is it for today's guide. Let me know which step worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. See you in the next one.